What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey. You know I love using my smokers for maybe non-conventional recipes. Today we are doing a smoked salsa verde, smoky tomatillos, serranos, garlic, onion, cilantro, lime, all blended up together for the perfect chip dip or topping for chili rellenos or tacos. So let's get started. I've got my smoker preheated to 225 degrees. You honestly can use whatever flavor of hardwood you like here. It's gonna be on the smoke for about 45 minutes to an hour. It'll take on a good amount of smoke flavor. So if you like heavier smoke, go with something hearty like oak or hickory or mesquite. If you like a lighter smoke flavor, alder, pecan, apple are all great choices. We're gonna start by prepping our vegetables. I've got 4 tomatillos with the husks removed, a quartered white onion, a couple of serrano peppers. You can use jalapenos, but I really like kind of the heat level and flavor on serranos, and a few whole cloves of peeled garlic. I'm gonna give that a drizzle with some avocado oil, get it on the smoker, and just let it go for a good 45 minutes to an hour until my veggies are nice and browned and smoky, and then we're on to the next step. I do like using a grill basket for this because it holds all my veggies in place and I don't have to worry about losing them through the grates. Makes it really easy to transfer. Also, if you're already doing something like brisket, it gives you a great opportunity to use the smoke that you're already making and maximize that output for even more ingredients. All right, our veggies have a good amount of color. These are going to go into a blender with some fresh lime juice and cilantro. We're gonna puree until it's nice and smooth. You're gonna get all of the tartness from the tomatillos, the limes, the richness from the smoke, the heat from the serranos, and then a good amount of garlic and onions and fresh herbs. This is a very, very tasty salsa. And then right before you blend, add in a healthy pinch of salt. Don't go too heavy to start. We can always taste and add more salt at the end. Transfer to a bowl. I like to let it cool down completely, put it in the refrigerator, let the flavors meld together. This is one of those things that's actually better after it sits for a couple of hours, and you can taste and adjust the salt as needed. You have a beautiful green salsa that's ready for dipping or topping or whatever you want to use it for. Speaking of, I feel like I need to get a chip. Good. It's so bright and so vibrant. So zippy, bright and acidic, but the smoke flavor is really what gives it a unique twist. Definitely needs another little tiny pinch of salt, but the heat level is perfect with the serranos. I would say it's a medium level on the spice. Absolutely delicious. I hope you give this one a try. If you do, leave me a review on my website. Let me know what you thought of it, or snap a photo and tag me on social media so I can see it and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you next time. I could just eat a whole mess of that.